Sir.
Hi. Yes. Well, I think last time I've already told to the section of the media friends. I've told them very, very clearly that from the party side, we have decided to have our official candidate in the coming MP by-election, and that stands till today, and we are going to field the candidate. And then your question saying when or who will be the candidate, that will be accordingly informed to you sooner or later. Okay? Well, right now the decision is taken by the party NPP. So again, it is up to maybe our partners or the individual political party whether they are joining us or not. That we are yet to discuss anything on that. But let us see what is their opinion, what is their mind. So, but from our side, from the party side, we have decided that we will field the candidate in this coming by-election of Shillong Parliamentary constituency.